Hello guys, this is Muhammad Faizan Farooq and today we are going to discuss about advanced taxation UK variant for ACCA paper. Now, today what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss a very basic introduction for the paper. Firstly, advanced taxation. So, in your earlier studies, I am talking about F6, which is currently taxation TX. We learned tax. But tax and advanced taxation is not the same. Firstly, let me remind you what is tax. So, tax is the money that people have to pay to the government. Why? Because government need to finance military, police, social services, education, healthcare. So they need money, and tax is the main source of income or liquidation for the government. Now, as we all know, currently we are at a level of advanced taxation. So at earlier stage, we cleared a basic tax paper of TX, which was F6 before. Now, if we talk about the syllabus, so the syllabus for F6 and P6 are 70% same. Yes, I am saying 70% same. So if you remembered your earlier studies, so it's good. But saying syllabus is 70% same doesn't mean that the exam approach is 70% same. No. Syllabus contents are 70% same, but the exam approach for TATX is 0% similar to F6. What is the mean? The meaning is in F6, the examiner focus was on calculation, but at the level of advanced taxation, the examiner focus is mainly on commentary, discussion, report writing, letter writing. Means examiner is assuming that after passing this paper, you will be at a position of tax consultant in any company. So, being a tax consultant, you have to know all the rules, plus you have to explain the rules, plus you have to plan the tax. So, ATX is not like F6. ATX is very advanced, and you have to focus and you have to improve your writing skills. Moving forward, the paper is consists of two sections. There is no choice. All the questions either in section A or in section B are compulsory. So why they make two sections? I will going to explain you. Section A. Usually and mainly section A questions are very long. Yes, they are big scenarios. Question 1 will be 35 marks. It includes 4 professional marks. Question 2 will be 25 marks, and there will be 5 ethics marks included in this section. Section B will be consist of 2 compulsory questions. Each question will be 20 marks, but section B questions will be short as compared to section A question, but section B questions usually be more technical. They are testing your skills, they are testing your knowledge, they are testing that you know how to plan the tax or you just know calculation. The main thing of P6 is you have to know how to plan tax, you have to know how to give consultancy, how to write commentary, how to explain the tax workings. This is the P6. Now, exam will be 3 hours and 15 minutes. 15 minutes for reading and 3 hours for solving. Syllabus area. We can divide the syllabus into 5 main areas and 2 sub areas. Number 1 is income tax. Income tax, which include individual person tax, which will be trading income, employment income, property income, interest income, dividend income, like individual person's incomes. This is a very big area of our syllabus. Number 2 is chargeable gain. Chargeable gains means you sold something and you earn money. I will explain this in detail. You have a land, you purchase this land at a cost of 1 million pounds. Later on, you sold it for 1.1 million pounds. So the gain on the disposal of the land is your capital gain. Same thing applies in shares and securities. The third topic is inheritance tax. If someone got inherit from his parents or grandparents during their lifetime or after their death, what will be tax implementations, tax implications we are going to discuss in this chapter. Corporation tax. You are a sole trader. Later on, you got success, you got very high profits, you got success in the sole trading company, then you will going to register it as a company. You became a corporation. So you will be liable to pay corporation tax. Point 1, income tax for individuals. Point 4, corporation tax. Very much similar. Means if we spend more time on point 1, income tax for individual, we will take very less time on corporation tax. Number 4, next topic is stamp duties. Next topic is value added tax, which you can say easily normal sales tax on purchasing and selling of goods or inventory. Our approach will be, we will start this course with income tax for individual, then we will cover corporation tax. After this, we will cover capital gains tax, then stamp duties, then value added tax, and our last topic will be inheritance tax. In income tax for individual, there are small topics like national insurance contribution, losses, adjustments. This we will cover in part 1. Last thing which I would like to explain in this introductory video is Finance Act. The thing is, we are in the month of July 2020 and the exam attempt for September 2020, December 2020 will going to follow Finance Act 2019, FA 2019. So, as I told you before, we are going to start the course from the first topic, which is income tax for individual. So, for the context of this topic, the tax year is 5th April to 6th April 2019 to 2020. This is a basic understanding, basic introduction of advanced taxation paper for P6. Thank you very much.